Mwene nyumba iria imomokete na gukomera nyumba ingi iria ikaragwo ya ngoroba 6 itũra-inĩ ria Regen kino ahetwo mathaa 24 akorwo amemomorete niguo kweheria ugwati uria ukurite maitho.
Ni twahe mwene nyumba ino mathaa 24 notice ya mathaa 24 nigetha akorwo amomorete nyumba ino.
Nyumba ino ya ngoroba 5 kuratuika ndirakagwo kuringana na mutaratara wa waki wa manyumba, na oho mwene ndaranyitanire na ataramu a miako kuma o akenja muthingi, na uguo ni abati gukinyukirio ikinya o rio wona arikia kumiiga thi.
Ni hari na chance nene muno ati mwako ucio ndugwakoria kwagirire.
That is why first it has to be demolished to reduce the risk in terms of the safety, and then now after that is when now even more tests will be done in terms of the structural integrity of the standing building, the adjacent building, to determine whether it's sound and safe for human use.
Ona gutuika gutire mundu ugurarite hindi ya mutino uyu, akombori aria me nyumba-ini iria iriganitie na iria ikomeirwo ni mathitwo mathame orio kweherera ugwati guku gugietererwo uthuthuria urike niguo kumenyeke gitumi kiria gicungirire nyumba ino kugwa.
It's leaning to this other building and understand the tenants have already been evacuated, and it's continuing to lean, and which means that the more it stays the way it is, then it is still a safety hazard.
Tuliangalia sasa hakuna mwenye amejeruhiwa, lakini wote walitoka wakalala barabarani.
Na wira ucio ugusupervisewo kana ukurorwo ni timu ya engineers aria maumite kwi National Building Inspectorate, the county government engineers, twina engineers kuma National Building Inspectorate na Engineering Board of Kenya.
Ngwataniro ya akina ataramu a miako unyitaniri-ini wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu hamwe na bodi ya kurugamirira miako na ngurubu ya mainjinia ni marathiururuka guothe bururi-ini kunyabara miako iria irathie na mbere gwakwo, undu umwe na gutara aria maraka niguo kugitira mitino ta ino kuhuanika.
Developers maitu wakinya andu a hindi iria uraka ndukage engineer waku kando, thie na mbere nake reke aguteithie na wira ucio wa supervision niguo wira athomeire, niguo wira ena experience, na angikorwo ni tugwitikira na tuige ma engineers maitu makorwo mari o wira-ini incidents teno ndege happen tondu ni kindu kingirigiririo.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV kuma Regen kino kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.